Hello, dear children. From today, we will start our new lesson, our diet. Let us see what is given in the lesson. At Raju's house, here is a small conversation. This conversation will help us to understand lesson better. Father, come on, let's have our dinner. But where is Raju? He is always the first to come for a meal. Mother, he is running temperature. I gave him some soft dahi bhat a little while ago. He had just fallen asleep. Father, let him rest. Shall we start then? Tai, yes, right away. Today we played a lungli match in the school. I'm so hungry. Mother, come at once. Mother, what I said? Oh, Mama, why have you made cabbage? You know, I don't like it. I don't want it. Mother, that's not the way to speak, dear. You want to be healthy, don't you? Then you have to eat all kind of food preparations and nothing should be left over in your plate. Right. Our teacher also tells us that. I wasn't going to waste anything. Who told this now? Tai told. Father, that's my good girl. Tai, what's this, Dad? You took only one bhakri? That can't be enough for you. Grandpa, he worked at a desk all day. That doesn't make anyone hungry. We used to do physical labor all day. We ate at least 4 bhakris at every meal. But now I have grown old. I don't feel hungry as I used to. Grandma, me too. Mother, yes, you eat so little now. Here, Ma, I have soaked half a bhakri in milk for you. Now, by this you understood that there was one conversation in a house in between mother, father, tai, grandma and grandpa. And what we understood from this? The boy Raju, he was having a temperature. Now let's see some question. Can you tell why did mother give Raju soft dahi bhat? Second question. Why was Tai so hungry? Third. Why is one bhakri is enough for father? Fourth. Why do grandpa and grandma eat only a little? Let's find answer for these questions. Yeah. Why did mother give Raju soft dahi bhat? Mother gave Raju soft dahi bhat because Raju was running temperature. Raju was having running temperature. So when you are having temperature, that time mother gives you to eat a light food which will be easily digest. So mother gave Raju soft dahi bhat. Now only Raju went for a sleep. Why was Tai so hungry? Tai was so hungry because she played lungdi match in her school. Why Tai was hungry? Because she played a lungdi match. Why is one bhakri is enough for father? One bhakri is enough for father because he works at a desk all day. Because he work at a desk. Work at a desk means doing a work sitting on one place. Why do grandpa and grandma eat only a little? Grandpa and grandma eat only a little because they have grown old, and because of old age they do not feel so hungry. A new term. Let's study a new term. Diet. We eat some food preparations as a part of meals every day. We also eat some snacks between meal times. Besides, we might also have milk, tea, coffee, or sherbets. All that we eat or drink during the day is together called our diet. Dear students, you should memorize this. All that we eat or drink during the day is together called our diet. What is a diet? Diet means whatever you in whole day, eat or drink in whole day is together called your diet. Understood? Whole day what you are eating and drinking. दिवसभरामध्ये तुम्ही ज्या काही गोष्टी खाता किंवा पिता एकत्रितपणे ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींना आपण म्हणतो डाएट. ओके. डाएट म्हणजे आपला आहार. Why does our food intake differ on different day? Sometimes we feel very hungry and we eat a lot. That day our food intake is more. At some other time we do not feel so hungry and we eat a very little. That day our food intake is less. Yes, our food intake is different on different day. आपली भूक ही रोज वेगळी वेगळी असते. कधी आपल्याला खूप भूक लागते, कधी आपल्याला भूकच नसते. ओके. समटाईम्स वी फील व्हेरी हंग्री. आपल्याला कधी कधी खूप भूक लागते. दॅट डे आवर फूड इंटेक इज मोर. ज्या दिवशी आपल्याला खूप भूक लागते त्या दिवशी आपलं फूड इंटेक जास्त असतं. ज्या दिवशी आपल्याला भूक नाही लागत त्या दिवशी आपलं फूड इंटेक कसं असतं? कमी असतं. कॅन यू टेल which of these two is likely to have a bigger intake? What could be the reason for that? Tai is young. She eats more, so her intake is also bigger. Grandma is old, so her intake is limited. Here in this picture, you can see two pictures, two ladies. Okay, in this picture you can see two ladies. Here Tai is sitting and here grandma is sitting. You can observe the plates also. So grandma took very little. Okay, whereas Tai took a greater food item than a grandma, more food item than a grandma. Why? Because Tai is young, she need more food, whereas grandma is old, she need a little food. When doing certain kinds of work, we make a lot of vigorous movements. Such work is hard on the body. It is called physical labor. Physical labor makes us very hungry. When we are doing certain kinds of work, work is divided into two parts. First is a sedentary work and second is a physical labor. Physical labor means which work is hard on the body, and while doing this work you make a vigorous. vigorous म्हणजे वेगाने तुम्ही मुवमेंट्स करता, एकसारखे शरीराचे मुवमेंट होता. मग असं काम जे शरीरावरती हार्ड असतं, अवघड असतं, ओके, शारीरिक कष्टाचे कामं आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो, त्याला म्हणायचं फिजिकल लेबर. हू डूज द फिजिकल लेबर दे फील मोर hungry. Okay, some kinds of works can be done sitting at one place. It does not take hard physical effort to do it. Such work is called sedentary work. People who do sedentary work do not feel as hungry as those who do physical labor. Understood, my dear students? So work is divided into two parts. First one is sedentary work and physical labor. Sedentary work, you can observe a man is sitting on the desk and doing. This kind of work is called sedentary work. Whereas you can see here two persons, they are carrying a heavy loads on their back. So they make a lot of physical, they are taking lot of physical effort. So this kind of work is called physical labor. And here this kind of work is called sedentary work. Understood? The diet of people doing physical labor is greater. They need more food. And the people, those who are doing physical labor, this work, they need a more diet than the people, those who do sedentary work. Do you know? Chores like carrying water, washing clothes, sweeping, and mopping the floor involve physical labor. Those who do such work feel more hungry, whether it is a man or a woman who does these chores. It's necessary that he or she gets enough food. Now you can see here, you are able to see some pictures in which some ladies or the persons those are able to see in the picture, they are performing some work. Some of them are, someone is carrying water, someone is sweeping, some is washing clothes, okay, etc. So all this work is called as the physical labor, because this work is hard on the body. Now which work? Carrying water, washing clothes, sweeping, mopping the floor, this all work is called as a physical labor. This work is hard on the body, so it doesn't depend upon the gender, whether he may be a man or woman, but those who are doing such kind of work feel more hungry. Do you know, when children are growing, bodily growth is very rapid. So, girls and boys of growing age need a lot of food. And my dear students, you all are of growing age. You play a lot, so you feel hungry. Okay? You are the children of growing age. When the children are growing, bodily growth is rapid. You increase in height as well as weight. So, whether he is a girl or he is a boy or she is a girl, so both of them want proper food because you are of growing age. Can you tell? Will pumpkin be cooked at all the children's house on the same day? Would you like it if you got the same menu at every meal every day? Why can we not get mangoes throughout the year? Let's see. Let's search answers. Will pumpkin be cooked at all the children's house on the same day? No, it's not possible that the pumpkin will be cooked at all the children's house at one time. Would you like it if you got the same menu at every meal every day? No, I don't like it if I got the same menu at every meal every day. It will be boring, Yana. Why can we not get mangoes throughout the year? We cannot get mangoes throughout the year because mango is a seasonal fruit and it grows only in summer season. Variety in food. Now let's see the variety in food. We eat a lot or a little depending on how hungry we are. That is, our hunger determines how much we eat. Here, we are thinking about the amount we eat. Now, what we were thinking? Intake. How much intake we are taking? Amount. Sometimes when we are more hungry, we are taking more intake. Whereas sometimes we are not much hungry, so we are taking less food intake. But we also need to consider which food items we eat. Okay? Different people include different items of food in their diet. What could be the reason for that? Now you can see, my dear students, when you all are sitting in one class and when you will open your tiffin, all of you will eat different kinds of food items. Yes or no? Why it is like that? What could be the reason for that? And the food also depends upon the region. Okay? If only a certain combination of dishes is prepared every day, then we have to eat the same food all the time. Having such meals would be a boring chore. So, different dishes are prepared in turn. So, your mother is preparing different dishes. Why? You should not feel bored. She will not prepare same menu again and again. In region where rice is grown in plenty, rice becomes a major part of the diet of the people living there. In region where jawar or bajra are a major crop, people include more of bhakri in their meals. In certain regions, wheat is a major crop. People in those regions eat more chapatis. Fish is available in plenty in the sea. Therefore, the people in Konkan have a lot of fish in their diet. My dear students, you understood that the food intake, it's dependent upon the food item, it is dependent upon the region also. So where which food items are grown, people that area eat that item more. For example, South Indian people, their rice is a major crop and rice is grown more, so the people there include more rice in their diet. They eat only idli, okay, rice, uttappa, all the food items which is produced by rice. Whereas Maharashtra, we eat bhakri and chapati because we cultivate here bajra, jowar as well as wheat. So according to the region, food items also goes on changing. And the people who live near the coastal area, near the sea, they include more fish in their diet because fish is plenty available in the sea. Here you can see a fisherman is catching a fish from sea, and the ladies, they are selling fish because fish is available plenty in the sea. Depending on their season, we get different vegetables and fruits at different times of the year. Accordingly, the food items in our diet also change. Yes, depending upon the season. How the season change according to our vegetables and fruits also. So we take us different vegetables and fruits in our diet. So accordingly, food items also goes on changing. For example, some vegetables come in the specific season and some fruits also. Okay, banana we get throughout the year, whereas mango we get it in the summer season. Watermelon we get in the summer season. So that time we include that fruits in our diet. When there is a ceremony, special dishes are prepared. We make sweets, especially when we celebrate festival. Yes, when there is a ceremony, when special dishes are prepared, you get a lot of sweet to eat. Yes or no? That time also your food intake is differ. And we make a sweets especially when we celebrate festival. My dear students, just now few days back we celebrated Diwali, and at the time of Diwali your mother prepared so many types of sweets. Yes, so festivals also make a difference in our diet. What care should we take about our food? Now it's very important. Not only eating food, but we should take a proper care also. If we wish to be healthy, then we must take care about our diet. So, we should eat all the dishes made at home. This point is very important, my dear students. You should eat all the food preparation which is made at home because home food is good food and which is healthy for your body. We must not avoid eating things merrily because we don't like them. आपल्याला आवडत नाही म्हणून काही गोष्टी, काही भाज्या खायच्याच नाही असं नाही, but they are very important for our body. You should understand the importance of that food stuff and you should eat all types of vegetables. Sprouted pulses and leafy vegetables should be included often in your diet. Sprouted pulses, sprouted मोड आलेले कडधान्य, लीफी व्हेजिटेबल्स, पाली भाज्या, या सगळ्या आपण आपल्या डाएटमध्ये नेहमी इन्क्लूड केल्या पाहिजे. We should also have yogurt and buttermilk occasionally. आपण योगर्ट, दही आणि बटरमिल्क, ताक, हे देखील आपल्या जेवणामध्ये नेहमी घेतलं पाहिजे. नाव सी माय डिअर स्टुडंट, हिअर वन इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट इज देअर. Newspaper and TV frequently advertise cold drinks. They also advertise many food products. We are tempted to buy them. They are tasty. Their wrappers are attractive. But that does not mean that they are also good for health. Yes, this point is very important. न्यूजपेपर अँड टी व्ही फ्रिक्वेंटली ॲडव्हर्टाईज कोल्ड्रिंक. आपल्याला न्यूजपेपर आणि टी व्हीमध्ये नेहमी कोल्ड्रिंक्सचे ॲड दिसतात, वेगळ्या गोष्टींचे ॲड दिसतात. आपले आवडते हिरो असतात, ओके, ते आपल्याला कोल्ड्रिंक्स दाखवतात, ते पण पितात. पण ह्याचा अर्थ असा आहे का जे ॲडव्हर्टाईजमेंट दाखवतात ते सगळ्या गोष्टी चांगल्याच असतात? नो, वी आर टेम्प्ट टू बाय दॅम. देअर रॅपर्स आर अट्रॅक्टिव्ह. But the thing is that we should purchase the things which is good for our health. You first read ingredients, which food items are good for your health that you can buy. Okay, what we have learned. All that we eat and drink, all that we eat and drink in a day is together called diet. Age, physical labor, and the state of health cause diet to differ from a person to person. Diet also changes according to food items available in the different seasons. The foodstuffs readily available in different regions are different. Things bring about diversity in people's diet. Eating a variety of foodstuffs in our diet helps to meet all the food related needs of our body. The attractive and tasty food products that we see in advertisement may not be necessarily good for health. Always remember, to keep good health, care must be taken about the food we eat. I think, my dear students, you understood the lesson properly. You will take care of your diet. Okay? Bye.